Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com. Thursday morning, and the Storm Prediction Center continues the marginal risk of severe weather really across the east central and northeastern portion of the state later on this afternoon in association with a cold front that will drop through here and provide just amazing weather as we wrap up the work week tomorrow. Unseasonably cool, unseasonably refreshing. Can't wait for the weather that we're going to enjoy on Friday. But beforehand, a skinny line of thunderstorms will develop ahead of this front later this afternoon and evening. The high-res NAM, I think, is picking up on the evolution of things well. Not everyone will see a thunderstorm, but certainly as this line kind of settles to the south, don't be surprised around the city, around 5, 6 o'clock or so, if there's a couple of thunderstorms around the area. And then those will diminish as it moves on off to the south and east as we go into the nighttime hours. Other big story, as mentioned, though, will be just the unseasonably refreshing air mass to wrap up the work week. Today will be a warm day, though, before we can enjoy the cooler air for tomorrow. Mid and upper 80s likely across most of central Indiana this afternoon before those thunderstorms rumble in. And then the cooler air will really move in nicely tonight behind that front. Most of us will wake up to the mid and upper 50s for overnight lows Friday morning. Highs on Friday won't even make it out of the 70s, guys. Just hard to believe for July 27th. Most of us will stay in the mid and upper 70s for afternoon highs, and then we'll go into the 50s again tomorrow night into Saturday morning. As we look ahead, models are beginning to kind of converge on a solution here, I think, when it comes to precipitation chances over the weekend and into early next week, and really focusing the wet weather, though I still think Saturday is dry. Sunday we will increase rain chances, but not a big deal Sunday. Some scattered showers around. I think it's not until we get into Monday and Tuesday that the more widespread rain, maybe a soaking rain at that too, if you take the European model verbatim, and then the GFS as well as kind of coming on board around to this solution as well in the early parts of next week, into the middle part of next week perhaps as well. And forecast rainfall totals quite impressive off of the European model, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain expected by the middle part of next week, most of which would fall in that Monday, Tuesday time frame. This may be a bit aggressive. If we go to look at the GFS forecast model rainfall, still, formidable amounts here, between an inch, inch and a half or so in that same time frame. So a nice soaking rain hopefully is in store for the region as we go into the Monday, Tuesday time frame. The other thing, though, really going to be impressive is this cool air mass. I think we're looking at 2 or 3 days next week to finish the month, to open up August, where highs don't even make it out of the 70s. So the cool air is inbound tomorrow, and it's going to stick around as we close out the month and open up August. Guys, make it a great Thursday. Thank you, as always, for logging on to IndyWX.com. Again, a couple of thunderstorms may dot the landscape later on this afternoon in association with that front moving south through the state. We'll talk with you soon.